Saint Gregory, Bishop of Constantia in Cyprus. March 4th. Called to lead the flock in Constantia, Saint Gregory, a former monk, steadfastly defended the Orthodox faith against the iconoclast heresy and performed miracles through divine grace. The initial request sought information regarding a Saint Gregory of Constantia commemorated on March 4th. Through careful examination of the liturgical calendar and authoritative Orthodox sources, it is established that there is no saint by this name celebrated on March 4th. The commemoration on this day belongs to other venerable figures, most notably the Venerable Gerasemus of the Jordan. The saint in question is correctly identified as Saint Gregory, Bishop of Constantia in Cyprus, whose memory the Church honors on January 5th. It is to this holy hierarch that we now turn our attention, narrating the course of his life and his witness to Christ. Saint Gregory, Bishop of Constantia, lived in the late 7th or early 8th century, a period marked by significant challenges to the Church. He was born into a pious family, rooted in the traditions of the Christian faith. From his earliest years, Gregory demonstrated a profound love for God and a life marked by virtue. He cultivated a spirit of prayer and devotion, setting his heart on the pursuit of holiness. As he matured, Gregory embraced the monastic life, seeking to dedicate himself fully to God through ascetic struggle. He entered a monastery, where he submitted himself to the spiritual discipline and guidance of experienced elders. In the quiet solitude of the monastic cell, he deepened his understanding of the scriptures and the teachings of the fathers, growing in wisdom and spiritual discernment. His life of prayer, fasting, and obedience became a testament to his unwavering commitment to Christ. The Church, recognizing Gregory's profound holiness, his theological understanding, and his capacity for spiritual leadership, called him to serve as a bishop. He was chosen to oversee the flock in Constantia, a city known in antiquity as Salamis, on the island of Cyprus. This appointment placed a heavy responsibility upon him, particularly during an era when the Orthodox faith faced external pressures and internal disputes. As Bishop of Constantia, Saint Gregory governed his flock with diligent pastoral care. He was a shepherd who knew his sheep, guiding them in righteousness and nurturing their spiritual growth. He preached the gospel with clarity and conviction, instructing the faithful in the truths of the Orthodox tradition. During his episcopacy, the Church was grappling with the profound theological controversy of iconoclasm, a heresy that denied the veneration of holy icons and caused great division. Bishop Gregory stood as a steadfast defender of the Orthodox faith, upholding the veneration of icons as a vital expression of the incarnation of Christ and a means of grace. He taught his people the theological foundations for icon veneration, explaining how the honor shown to the icon passes to the prototype and how icons serve as windows into the heavenly realm. Through his clear teaching and unwavering witness, he preserved the purity of the faith among his flock. The grace of God was evident in Saint Gregory's life, not only through his wise teaching, but also through the miracles he performed, both during his earthly life and after his repose. One notable account speaks of his intercession during a violent storm at sea. A ship caught in the tempest's fury faced imminent destruction. The sailors, in their desperation, called upon God and sought the prayers of Saint Gregory. In response to their fervent supplication, Saint Gregory appeared to them, calming the raging waters and saving the ship and its crew from peril. This miracle demonstrated his power in Christ and his compassionate care for those in distress. Upon his repose in the Lord, Saint Gregory's holy relics were found to be incorrupt. This discovery served as a clear sign of his sanctity and the divine favor bestowed upon him. His relics became a source of healing and a destination for pilgrimage, as the faithful continued to experience his intercession and receive comfort and strength through his prayers. The memory of Saint Gregory, Bishop of Constantia, continues to be honored by the Orthodox Church on January 5th, a day when his life of virtue, his defense of the faith, and his wonder-working grace are celebrated. He remains a model of a faithful hierarch, an ascetic who loved God, and a compassionate intercessor for all who call upon his name.